Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with three questions from Kinematics. These questions were asked in 25th January morning session 2023 JEE mains. So let us discuss them one by one. Here comes the first question. As you can see, a car travels a distance x with speed v1 and then same distance x with speed v2 in the same direction. Average speed of the car is. I'm going to derive the formula, students, but then you have to memorize these formulas because in the exam hall you are supposed to know these formulas already, because the moment you start deriving you'll be losing time. Okay, so in order to fetch good marks, good rank in the exam hall, you need to have a good combination of memory plus speed, both memory plus speed. That is, you should know certain things already. Formulas should be known, it should be in your fingertips. Apart from that, in case if they twist so that you don't know the formula, then you can derive then and there itself. So this is how I'll show you. S1 is the distance, let us say, travel with the speed v1. Then S2 is another distance traveled with speed v2. S3 is another distance traveled with speed v3. So average speed will be total distance covered upon total time taken. This is the formula. Remember, distance and time are both scalar quantities each. So you can simply add them to get the total. Let us say that here the time taken is t1, here t2 and t3. Then total time will be this. Now T1, T2, T3 can be calculated in this way. How? See, T1 will be S1 by V1. Time is equal to distance by speed. Similarly, here T2 is S2 by V2 and so on. So this is the average speed. By rearranging, if you take this to the top and this to the bottom, you have a very beautiful formula, that is S1 plus S2 plus dot 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 4 divided by average speed is equal to S1 by V1 plus S2 by V2 plus dot 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 dot. Here in this situation it is x plus x, sorry, just I have substituted the values. Then you have 2 by V bar as average speed is equal to this. Upon simplification you get the average speed as 2 V1 V2 upon V1 plus V2. In the language of mathematics, we call this as the harmonic mean of V1 and V2. So here the average speed is the harmonic mean of V1 and V2. Moving on to the next question. We have the matching type question. List 1 has certain physical quantities and list 2 are the SI units in terms of fundamental units, kg, meter and second. So we have to match. So first, surface tension as per definition is force per unit length. So for force it is kg meter per second square, because force is mass into acceleration, and for length it is meter. So we have kg per second square. So kg per second square. So surface tension should be mapped to fourth. So either A, 1 or 2 is the correct answer. Let us move to the next thing, B. No, B we should not attempt, because both the options carry the same thing. So let us go with C or D. So I'll go with D because impulse is more easier than velocity, viscosity. So for D, impulse is force into time. Again, force is mass into acceleration. Time is second. So 1 second gets cancelled here. So kg meter per second. So kg meter per second is this. So sorry, second one. So this one. So correct option is 2. I hope that is clear. Then coming to third question. If P and Q are two vectors, then unit vector in the direction of P cross Q. So first we'll be calculating the cross product P cross Q, and then we'll try to find the unit vector in that direction by dividing by its modulus. So vector P cross vector Q, you can calculate by the determinant method, as you all know this. Coefficients of P, it is 3, root 3 and 2. For Q it is 4, root 3 and 5 by 2. 2.5, I am writing it as 5 by 2. So this will be I cap into root 3 to 5 by 2 minus 2 root 3 minus j into 15 by 2 minus 8 plus k cap into this. So this will be root 3 by 2 here, j by 2 here, and root 3 k cap. So this is the cross product. Now let us find the modulus. So as you know, modulus will be under root coefficient of I cap whole square, coefficient of j cap whole square, and coefficient of k cap whole square. So this will be 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 1 plus 3. So 2 is the modulus. So the required unit vector is the original vector divided by its modulus. Is it? So when you divide this by the modulus, you get, so vector P cross vector Q upon its mod. So vector P cross vector Q, I will take the LCM. So after taking LCM, we have half into root 3 I cap plus j cap minus 2 root 3 k cap, and then divide by the modulus. When you divide by the modulus, you get 4 as 4 in the denominator. So x is equal to 4. 4 is the correct answer. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.